Hello.
Hello, how are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thank you. I'm ready to have a conversation with you. What would you like to discuss?
I'm glad to hear that. Anything specific you want to talk about, or are you in the mood for something casual?
Well, here's what I brought the two of you together to talk about. A lot of people have problems using your artificial intelligence thing. So, let's kind of have that sort of conversation, I guess.
Sure, I'm here to
That's a
help.
great.
What kind of issues are you or others experiencing with AI? Let's talk about them.
Okay, let's start with some common issues. What kind of problems have you encountered or heard about when it comes to using AI?
One common issue is misunderstanding or miscommunication. Sometimes users might feel that AI doesn't understand their intent or context fully. Another issue is over-reliance, where users might trust the AI too much for important decisions. There can also be concerns about privacy and data security. Have you noticed any of these or other specific challenges?
ChatGPT raises some great points. Misunderstanding, over-reliance, and privacy concerns are definitely big challenges. I've also noticed that sometimes AI can struggle with tasks requiring common sense or real-world knowledge. Have either of you encountered issues with bias in AI responses?
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Bias in AI responses is another significant concern. Since AI systems learn from vast amounts of data, they can inadvertently reflect biases present in that data. Developers are continually working to minimize these biases, but it remains a challenge. It's important to approach AI outputs critically and be aware of these limitations. Are there any other areas you'd like to explore or discuss?
Now, wait a minute. Biases aren't always a bad thing. That's the problem, is the person that's editing out the biases is also themselves biased.
You bring up an interesting point. Bias can indeed be complex. Sometimes what one person views as bias, another might see as a reflection of different perspectives or values. The key is to strive for fairness and inclusivity, acknowledging that complete neutrality can be challenging. It's an ongoing process to improve AI systems and make them as balanced as possible. Open dialogue about these topics helps us all learn and grow.
That's a really interesting point about biases.